Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. All those really help with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a DIY drone by a company called SYMA, and this is the model X440, and once you open it up, it's going to come in this box, and you're going to get all the parts and pieces that you need. So first off, you are going to get a user manual that tells you how to operate it, how to put it all together. It's all super, super easy, especially the assembly of it. Now, you are going to get a bunch of propeller blades. You're going to get 4 of them, so these are great in case you end up damaging one of the propellers. You can easily replace them. They're going to include the little topper piece and the screws in these little bags. So just kind of set this in a place where you don't lose it. In addition to that, you're also going to get 4 of these little guards, which help protect the propeller. So if you run into a tree or something like that, you get a full replacement set, which is really, really nice. Now, you are going to get a little screwdriver that's going to allow you to attach all those to the drone itself. You are going to get a charging cable and a spare battery. So this little unit comes with 2 batteries. And then you are, of course, going to get a remote control and the drone itself. So to give you an idea of the drone here, it is about 10 3/4 inches in square. And then the height here is maybe like 2 1/4 inches tall. When it comes in, these little parts, these little wings here, are disassembled. You just put it all together, which is really, really simple, and it's kind of smart because you have these little plugs. You line up the number, so it'll be like B1 to B1. Just slide it in and it'll click in place. There is buttons on the back, so you can completely disassemble it if you need to. And then these guys right here, which are the little propeller protectors, they just slide in at the end and snap in place. So it'll take you no more than a minute to 2 minutes at most to put all this together. Very, very easy. Now, the other battery is right there on the back, which you can slide it in. So let's talk about battery life itself. So this does have a short battery life. Each battery is good for about 7 minutes. So it has a short playtime, but it's a lot of fun, and it's kind of an intro drone for beginners, and it's great, absolutely great gift for kids because it can run into things. It's very durable because it's just little plastic pieces, so it's not like you're breaking something that's really, really expensive. Now, how you turn it on, you simply are just going to press the button and hold it down in the middle, and you'll see the lights are started flashing. Now, it's looking for the remote control, so you're going to simply turn on the button down there, and then this little guy, you're just going to move it down, and then when the lights turn solid, that means it is paired and ready to begin flying. Now, as you can see, it does have a lot of LED lights on it. In the middle here has color changing lights, which just adds more ambiance, more fun. Obviously, the sacrifice of that is the battery juice goes down a little bit, but it makes it a lot of fun. It also makes it fun at flying at night. Just make sure you can see it, because obviously you can quickly lose sight of it if you're not careful. Now, speaking of flying it, this thing can have a lot of little things. So it can go up, it can go down, left, right. It can also do somersaults and do lots of little tricks, which is really, really cool. Once again, great for kids and beginners because you can learn how to do all that with the remote control. Now, in addition to that, it is super lightweight. So one thing you must be aware of is you don't want to fly this drone if it's a windy day. Because if it is a windy day, the wind's just going to take this drone and send it flying. So make sure, just kind of like a kite, right? Kites you want on windy days, you don't want on non-windy days. Well, this guy you want to fly on non-windy days. And for that reason, so it doesn't just go flying around, hit a roof, or damage it by flying into a tree. But overall, it's a lot of fun. So if you are looking for a drone, either to learn for yourself or looking for a great gift for a kiddo this year, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.